As I said earlier, inverse variation, it's when one thing goes up, the other one goes down. Now, I want to take a moment to show you this notation right here, this fraction right here, because a lot of people, they are not really comfortable with fractions. And as you become a higher level math students, you become a better thinker. And you should really know the general behavior of a fraction. And that means if x goes up, okay, if the denominator gets bigger, if the denominator gets bigger, what happens to the overall fraction value? Okay, if you have one pizza and there are more people sharing that pizza, are you getting more pizza or getting less pizza? Getting less, right? So I always like to use that kind of example to illustrate how if the denominator gets bigger, the entire fraction gets smaller. Okay, you have to understand how this is a dynamic thing. It's not just a static, oh, numerator, denominator. Well, they would change. They probably will change. So now this is where you have to be very careful, okay, when you do your writing, your equation. So it says a company has found that the demand for its product varies inversely as the price of the product. How many of you are taking econ right now? Econ? Next semester? Okay, all right. Now this is what we call a demand curve, right? If the price goes down, well, do you like stuff on sale? Yeah, we do, right? So when the price goes down, the demand's going to go up. So, so we have this little equation. So we have demand and price. So, so what we can do is that we can say when the demand is inversely related to price. So you can write this. I would also accept you writing this one. P times D equals to K. That works well too if you want to. So either way, I have no problem. Okay, just make sure that you find out what the K value is. So if the price it's 2.75, the demand is 600 units. So what is the K value? The K value here would be 1650. Okay. Now, should I put a unit right here? Sure. Oh, sorry. No, 600. It's units, and that's a price. Okay. So when you multiply them together, it will be $1,650 times unit, not per unit, but times unit. It's not one of those easy to understand units, but it's just a unit to help you present what's going on. So, so we have the, what is it called? Demand. It's equal to 1650 over price. Okay, so that would be the equation. If you do not write units, I will not count you wrong. But if you are taking any science course, chemistry, physics, biology, whether it's regular or AP level, I strongly encourage you to write down units, okay? Because numbers are more meaningful with units. All right.